Yes.
I wanted to get the truth of what exactly happened.
Yes.
Tumelo told me that there was a fight in Kelly Khumalo's house. Zandi was fighting with her boyfriend. And Senzo Meyiwa, my lord, was trying to separate the two.
Kufundeka ngalendlela-ke umlungisi akushoyo Edward Hlophe. Ngabuyela phakathi emotweni yami ngase ngifonela uTumelo Madlala. Just want to make sure difference. Is it on the same night or it look like on the same night? Same night. Ngalela langa lelo lange-26 ka-October 2014. Ngangifisa noma ngifuna ukwazi iqiniso lalokho okwenzeka ngamashi. uTumelo wangitshela-ke ukuthi kwakuliwa-ke emzini noma kulokheli uZandi kanye nomfana wakhe noma i-boyfriend yakhe babelwa uSenzo Meyiwa ezama ukuthi abehlukanise uZandi kanye nomfana wakhe noma i-boyfriend yakhe. Okay. Yes.
Yeah. Senzo Meyiwa was trying to separate her boyfriend. Was trying to separate the two, Zandi, her boyfriend. It ends there. Did you understand that, Mr. Tal?
I hear it.
Okay. Did it happen?
No, it didn't happen. In my eyes, this never happened.
5 years one casus para 2019 statement.
Could Mr. Ngoso be quiet for 5 years and come and write a statement in 2019?
As commissioner to spell the statement.
It doesn't even show, because the previous statements do indicate as to who took down the statement. This one doesn't even indicate who he gave it to.
So I understand this, Ganja.
I don't understand how.
But na ishuthi ukuzwa kwakhe atshela uTumelo yenze uTumelo lokho but mina akaze nje kwenzeke lokho.
But it means that's what he heard from Tumelo. I can't speak on his behalf, but to me it never happened.
Kodwa ngoba senzeka ngo-2019 ayangithuki.
But because it was made in 2019, the statement was made in 2019, it doesn't come as a shock to me.
Okay. Let's move on to Mr. Twal.